Managing the energy of your house is an important aspect of sustainable living. If you're a homeowner who's concerned about your high energy bills, let me help you make informed decisions about your energy consumption. With Curiousfly Energy Management System, you can monitor your daily, weekly and monthly energy usage in real time and identify areas where you can reduce your energy consumption. Open the Curiousfly app and navigate to the home page. From there, you can access your personalized energy dashboard. Once you are on the energy management panel, you will be able to view your daily, weekly and monthly energy usage. You can easily switch between these views by sliding the pages and sort out the energy usage based on loads, rooms or type such as lighting, security, entertainment and climate. This will give you a more detailed understanding of how your energy is being used throughout your residence. The listed view of each category will be shown once you open the page. You can monitor the activity log of each load from its page to see when it was used and for how long. This will help you identify any unnecessary energy consumption and take action to reduce it. To limit energy usage, you can set usage-based or overtime alerts. To do this, click on the Alerts button in the top right corner of the screen and toggle the type of alert you want to set. Set the time and you're good to go. You can also get a customized view of each load room or type according to a specific date range and make comparisons of your energy usage. To do this, click on Custom from the Energy Usage homepage, select the graph type and set the date range. Once you click Analyze, you'll get the energy usage data between the selected date range. Curiousfly Energy Management System can be a powerful tool for managing your energy consumption and reducing your energy costs. Make the most of the system and achieve significant savings and environmental benefits.